Hello, my amazing viewers. Welcome back to Cook with Grace Kisui. Let me allow you listening to me in the background. So in today's video, we'll be making black soup. Okay. So to my Edo people, Ogba Etokpa, yay! I hope I did not say it well because I've not even been. So guys, Edo people now not give me good updates, but the same thing. We are making black soup. You get your scent leaf, uziza leaf, and bitter leaf. Then you blend. I beg, use strong blender. If you notice your blender is not strong, you can use stone grinder to grind it, or still go take it to the engine room for them to blend it for you. Okay. Then my pot, I have already put a cooked meat, 18% done. I add my dry fish, my stock fish, my cow skin, my snail, okay, seasoning cube, and pepper. The pepper, I mixed the pepper with crayfish, red bell pepper, and the rest of them. Then I poured my palm fruit, which is banga or broth. Then I stir and I covered. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time watching me or coming across this channel or this page, thank you for watching, and this is Cook with Grace Kisui. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more interesting videos like this. And please always clean your environment, because cleanliness is next to godliness. So I want my snail to be overcooked, so I remove the snail and keep it aside while I will continue. Okay, so please tell me where you are watching me from so that I can send you a hug in my next video. So after that, I went on with the blended scent leaf, uziza leaf, and bitter leaf. Before you add the mixture, make sure the banga you cook is thick. Then you add your crayfish. Okay, stir and cover, allow it to boil. Once you notice it has come to a boil, you add your deboned fish, add Titus fish, and bring back the snail you already removed. Put it back. Okay, stir and taste. Adjust if you need any extra taste, and cover. Allow it to cook for a while. Give us update. The dough soup is ready. So guys, Josephine, give me this update though. Oh my god, at this junction the kitchen was just oozing. Oh, one thing I heard about the soup on my research is that this soup is native and traditional soup from Ishan, and it's so medicinal and it's good for the body. So guys, I hope you love this recipe and you'll be giving it a try. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. I love you guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more recipe like this. Bye.